Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and in today's video, I want to make an inhaler with you. I called it Peace on the Go, and it's an inhaler to help you in times where you want to feel really calm. It could be as simple as you're sitting down to meditate, if you meditate, and you just want some support for that. It could be that you're having a really stressful day, you just need to calm down. It could be that you're trying to go to sleep at night. Any situation where it needs calming, this inhaler, you're gonna love. It's a recipe from my book, The Heart of Aromatherapy, and it's one that I use a lot. So I have an inhaler here. It's not your typical kind of inhaler, actually. It's a reusable one that I wanted to show you. So you open it up and it's got a glass vial, and you take the top off of the glass vial, and that's where you put your organic cotton wick, right in there. And then we'll drop the drops of essential oil there and we'll close it up. So then when you're done using it, maybe 3 months or so, you can take the cotton out. I use a little tweezer and pull it out, and you can wash it and make a whole new blend. So you can just keep reusing this inhaler. Some of the other inhalers are not as easy to reuse, so we just recycle them. But this one's great. Okay, so that was a little side note, a little fun inhaler info. Now in this Peace on the Go inhaler, of course we have patchouli, because we all know about patchouli and feeling peaceful. So it is such a beautiful aroma, and sometimes the top's a little sticky with patchouli. Have you ever noticed that? It's just what happens with some of the thicker oils, is the top kind of sticks a little. I love that aroma, and it is so calming to the nervous system. Patchouli just likes to calm everything down. So inflammation, your skin, your nervous system, it's all about calming. So we're gonna put 6 drops of patchouli in this inhaler. And patchouli comes out slow because it's thick. There we go, 5, 6, great. Didn't come out that slow. And it's a beautiful golden color, I love it. If by chance it's not your favorite aroma, you could replace this with vetiver. That would be really beautiful. Okay, and then I'm gonna use 6 drops of myrrh. Now myrrh has that same sticky top thing because it's another really resinous oil. And even at the top, I haven't had the bottle that long, but right away you get this sort of crystallization. Don't worry, that's normal with myrrh. Myrrh is a really unusual aroma, and it's very calming for the nervous system, and it's used really to calm your respiratory system, calm your breathing, calm your nervous system. So it's, again, perfect for this blend. Peace on the Go. Okay, so we're gonna put 6 drops of myrrh, and again, it's kind of a thick oil. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it comes out sometimes a little slower than some of the others. Okay, and then I've got rose, and I'm just gonna put 1 drop of rose. And this is all about your heart. It's all about feeling centered and feeling love and feeling connected to yourself, which is exactly what we want when we're feeling stressed, right? It's almost the opposite of feeling stressed. So I'm gonna put 1 drop, and this is Rose Otto. It's a rose that's been distilled. And then I'm gonna put 2 drops of Roman Chamomile. And I love using the sweet flower of Roman Chamomile. It's so calming. I smell it, and I can envision, because I've been in fields of Roman chamomile. It's different than German chamomile. It's a pure white flower, and I've been in fields of it, and it's intoxicating. It's so calming and beautiful. So I'm going to put 2 drops in of our Roman chamomile, and let's see, 1, 2. Okay, so we're good. Now I'm going to put this top on. This is a top that has the holes in it for you to smell through. And then I'm gonna just put it right into its bottom. So now we have it in perfect shape to be able to inhale it and feel immediately more centered, more in yourself, more grounded, calmer. It's beautiful. And then there's a little cover that you can put on so you can easily carry it around. Now, before we finish, I just want to read you a little story about Rose. because in my book, In the Heart of Aromatherapy, I gave every essential oil a personality, a character, maybe a profession or a job in order to highlight its therapeutic properties and to help you remember them. So Rose itself has a love and relationship advice column. Perfect, right? Rose sees the world through rose-colored glasses. Everywhere it goes, it's always helping people recognize the beauty all around them and bringing out the love in their hearts. It runs an advice column for love and relationships, so it can help people far and wide. Rose's column is popular because it is always offering practical solutions and sound advice that people can put into practice right away. It loves to ask, what does your heart want to do today? An empowering question that helps people put love into practice. All right, so I hope you love this inhaler, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.